In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can toggle sprint in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by default, and you can find this in the controls itself, you usually have to hold shift to sprint, but if you wanted to toggle instead, here's what you can go ahead and do. Begin by selecting the three dots and then hit the three lines to open up your menu. From here, go ahead and go into your settings, and what you need to find in here for your controls is going to be your sprint style. As you can see, it says hold right here. You can actually select this and put it on toggle. Once you select it on toggle and then back out of your settings just by doing the exact same process, all you have to do is hit shift once, it'll start sprinting, and hit shift again to stop sprinting. The process really is as simple as that. It's a lot easier movement if you just put it on toggle, and that way you essentially just can run without having to, hold down a key. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.